Welcome to ME 172 Parametric Modeling. My name is Brother Rupp, and I'm excited to teach this class. I wanted to share a little bit about myself with you today and give you a brief introduction on what parametric modeling is. So, my name is Brother Rupp, and I am from Utah. I have two little boys who are just under 3 and 6 months, and I am a design engineer. I graduated from Utah State University with a degree in mechanical engineering. I use parametric modeling every day in my work. I currently run a small business where we make product, specifically carbon fiber components. We do 3D modeling. We do everything inside of the design process. When I'm not doing engineering, I love to get outside and snowboard and ride bikes. In the past, I've worked for bike companies and different outdoor companies, and also the medical device company. So I have good experience in modeling. I use modeling every day. I'm excited to share with you a little bit more about parametric modeling and what it is, so let's jump into the computer program now. So this is SolidWorks. I'm not specifically attached to any one program, but this has been a great program to learn, and I know a lot of different employers this is the software that they use. So what I've done here is I've created what's called a sketch, and I've just created this box, this square. And what you can do with this square when you parametric model is you can turn it into a 3D shape. So I'll draw my basic shape, and then this feature is called an extrude. And what I've done is I've created a cube. And you can see that this cube has 6 sides like any good cube should have. And this particular cube, I'm going to put a hole in it just because I can. Now when you're parametric modeling, the whole purpose behind modeling is to communicate a design to someone else. And so as we go through class, I want you, all the students, to keep in mind that the idea is to make communication happen. So now I have this box and I have a hole in that box. The next step would be to either deliver this model to a machine shop so they could make it, or to deliver a maybe a presentation to marketing. But in order for them to do that, we would need to have all of the details given to that machine shop. And the way we do that is by another file, which is called a drawing file. So I'm going to open a drawing file, and this isn't the box, but it's a particular part that I've created. And this part now has dimensions put on it, and what this does is it communicates all the details of that part to someone who's going to make and manufacture it. So this is a part file, and we'll get really familiar with this and how we can communicate our designs to those manufacturing it. Another part of SolidWorks is what's called an assembly file. And in that assembly file, it's made up of multiple part files. So as you can see, I have a snowshoe base that is one part file, and I have this little piece here that's another, and the binding that's another. And I've assembled them in a way that shows my part at its final production, and I can test different movement and different things with this assembly file. So in short, parametric modeling is a way for us to create and design in and on a computer 3D parts and allow us to communicate those parts to a manufacturer so that they can be designed. And I'm really excited to teach this class. Like I said, I use this every day. It's a very helpful tool, and I know that it can help you guys, and it's a very valuable tool. You're very hireable when you have this type of skill to be able to create and design in a computer and then in turn get parts made. And so I look forward to learning about you individually, and I appreciate your time today. Thanks.